But we want to start in a region of Africa which is hoping to see just how transformational and powerful natural resources can be to a struggling economy. We're talking Puntland and we're talking oil. It might just be that this autonomous region of northern Somalia has found the source of its own renewal, or potentially a curse, as such riches can often be. What's for sure is that for the first time in 20 years, companies are drilling for oil in Puntland. Here it is on the map, Puntland in the Horn of Africa, and specifically two large blocks of oil there called the Dahrour Valley and Nogal Valley blocks. They are sizable, 36,000 square kilometres combined, which is around the size of the island of Taiwan, and beneath the ground, an estimated 19 billion barrels of oil. Now, not all of it is recoverable, but remember, oil's easily over $100 a barrel, so a basic calculation gives us a potential $2 trillion to be made. Compare that to the size of the Puntland economy on its own, just $5.9 billion in 2010, with a meagre average income per capita of just $600.